Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sounds and vibration. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down again to localize this phone ringtone section and tap on this first option. So here we've been transferred to the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got also option custom ringtone, which means that we can choose our own files and set them as a ringtone, or set no ringtone, and it means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and then decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to set this one as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.